try to do some bass fishing, and we'll see what we can get here. We're here with my nephew Robert and Dad. We all know Dad. He's been on a couple of our videos, so hoping we can catch a few fish here. So stay tuned, we'll see if we can get some. Got a nice little boat here. Check it out. Captain's getting cold. Just in case you're wondering, we're in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. South Kakalaki. And we're fishing the Waccamaw River here. We're getting to our spots. And hopefully we can get some good videos of us catching some fish. We'll see.
What turtles don't sit on the alligator city?
You say?
I don't know, I thought it was a gator, but it might have been just with it.
There's alligators out here. You think they'd be out this time of year though? It's kind of cold. So this is a weird time of day, but
Well, you're getting in there.
the other thing too is when you use your whopper, probably got to keep your tip up because they'll drown themselves. But if you can keep their nose up, they'll pop louder. You just gotta cast fast, harder, Dad. Oh, you suck. Hey, go over there and pick up. That's the only problem with this bait caster I've been having trouble with. If you try to cast too hard, once in a while, it should just lock up on you.
Well, you got plenty of slack.
Yeah, I'm gonna get that back right now.
You lost your thing.
No, yeah, Robert's gonna go back for it.
We got it. There we go.
See it over there floating? Probably go in and get eaten by an alligator. Yeah, it's floating right. It's floating right there. There's no. That's one nice thing too. They're floaters.
Are you on that other?
Nope, I got it. Well, whopper plopper's always trying to get away from me, but our captain's gonna bring me over to it. Yeah, you see it? I think it's right there, right? Where do you?
Right here, floating?
It's not green. Oh, there it is, right here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh,
You want to grab it or you want me to grab it?
if you can get it, yeah. You think you got a better chance over there? You're getting a little closer. Let your thing troll out, Dad. Oh, you're probably fishing a worm.
So I've seen them back in this cove where these lily pads are. We're about to be up here on the right.
I think we're done with that guy. What color whopper plopper did you end up getting?
The white one.
The white one? Any luck with him? Did you get anything with him yet?
No, I had a, like I said, like we were talking about, I had a hit on one and I almost wasn't ready for it and I didn't set the hook.
You never will be.
I was like bullshitting with a friend.
Yeah.
Like,
That's usually when you get your best hits, is when you kind of like, because you're usually in a stall. You're not even thinking about it, and then wham.
that's probably a brim. Brim are big here, I'm telling you. You put a worm in a bobber, I might just do that, honestly. We're heading that way, especially if that way. We're going towards this tree.
Never used one of these. Wow, this water's really dark, huh? Oh, jeez, this water's so dark it makes my lure look orange. Look at that. I know what you're thinking. You want to bite him.
You got a bowl with a bob. You got that other one? You got a bowl with a bobber or a worm? See where this little stick comes out here on the side?
Yeah, then
All the way across. You can see where the water like is calm and then it starts to ripple.
Yeah. Okay.
So right there. There, the one just jumped right there. You see it? Just jump right there.
Over there now.
Right here. No, right here. We're right on top of it. Oh, there's another one.
Oh, gotcha.
Oh, one just jumped right in front of the boat. Right.
Dad, one jumped up behind the boat.
Alright, I'm gonna grab the anchor in that thing right there.
Okay.
So we got some time.
Dad, back of the boat. Front of the boat, Dad. Left of the boat, Dad. Dad, left of the boat. Right, Dad.
We're right on top of it.
This water really changes the color of your bait.
Yeah, that's why you asked me what color I went with the Whopper Popper. White.
Yeah,
White.
it's orange.
You know,
Yeah.
nothing is white here.
Well, they usually say dark. Use dark colors and dark.
Get right there.
Oh, right in front of us, right here, little guy. Nice and easy. Easy.
Yeah, right.
Easy. Don't scare him. Don't scare him.
Ready?
Yeah. How far are you gonna throw him? I don't think he's scared of any of them.
They're not going anywhere.
That's it. Oh, I just had a fish jump right by my lure, but I don't know if I just scared him and he jumped because I scared him, or if he was going after him. Yeah, they're not huge. They're probably about the size of my lure. Oh, he's jumping over here though. I think I'm going to switch down on lure size here a little bit.
I'm going to a real tiny hook, a bobber, and a worm.
You got plenty of worms. Miles use them.
So what a lot of people do, like they'll switch to a brim in the wintertime when like saltwater isn't good and the bass are kind of slow.
How big? What's the biggest size brim you're going to catch down? Like, I'm looking at these fish. These are just
2 pound.
really, because I'm just seeing little bait fish jumping out there, not more than 4 inches.
They'll get like fat and short like this.
Yeah, I got
Okay.
one the other day. Sunny.
Yeah, because I'm seeing a couple over here, but
They'll get decent, and they're called the nice ones are called bluegill.
oh, bluegill. That's like a sunfish.
I've eaten them; they taste really good.
That was kind of an evil laugh. I've eaten them. Yeah.
Well, I know what you Northerners are thinking. I already know.
What's that? No, they catch the panfish all the time and go for them.
Yeah.
With that little brass one?
Do you have anything smaller?
That little brass one there, see it?
This one?
No, the brass one.
Oh yes. Yes.
Yeah, it looks like we got ourselves a big 'em. Watch it, Daddy. Watch it. He's gonna bite you.
Chop your head off in a minute.
Good job.
This is the big catch of the day, ladies and gentlemen. Are you going to display it with honor?
Damn it. Come on.
With that rubber glove on there, it can't bother you. Just grab it.
Yeah, just grab it with your hand.
No, it's just a
Make sure you show it off.
There's the points.
Barbs
Yeah,
right
yeah,
here,
watch
yeah.
those guys.
And right here.
Cute little guy.
Shark!
Yep.
See ya.
That's one you can keep putting your
That's a
trophy
nugget.
case.
That's a catfish nugget right there.
Catfish
That's just
nugget.
one.
Nugget. Here's a chicken nugget. Crazy. I've caught fish on everything I'm fishing with, except for here in South Carolina. Although I did catch the one fish I did catch on a spin bait, and the pond that Pop-Up said there's no fish in there. Oh, we just had a fish jump right there. Decent size too. Decent size. They're all in those. Oh yeah, that's. Yeah, let me catch them first, Dad. I'll show you. Yeah, let me show you where he was. That seemed bigger than the brim too.
Brim seemed big though. When you hit the water.
Oh, we got one.
Get him in. It's catfish. Here we go.
You got a net on here?
Ooh, okay. Bring him out nice and slow.
Oh no, that's a nice big bass.
I got his mouth.
Get him, buddy. Get him, buddy. You got a net on here?
Ooh, okay. Bring him out nice and slow.
Oh no, that's a nice big bass.
I got his mouth.
Get him, buddy. Get him, buddy.
Come over here.
Hold up.
Nice.
Oh yeah, dude, this is my PB right now. This is definitely my PB. You got that scale, Dad?
Oh, no.
All right, ladies.
Try to get him off the cushion.
Oh, look at this guy.
I would say he's 4 to 5 pounds.
Yeah, nice, huh?
Okay, let me get a picture, Kirk.
All right.
Yeah, get a picture. Is it or
Just point it right to me. There you go.
is it on?
It's on.
I don't think so. There's nothing
No,
on
it's
it.
on. It's on. You don't see anything, but I see.
Okay.
So what do you think we got here, Dad? Did you bring your scale?
That's a.
Now your video.
That's a.
Here, pick him up. Let me see his. Let's see his mouth. Turn him. Let's see his mouth.
That's 3 or 4 pound.
Yeah. Oh, that's more than 3 pounds.
Might be a 4 pounder.
That's easy.
Did you bring your scale?
I did not. I would say he's 5.
All right, buddy.
Good catch. Good catch.
Get that video there.
One more shot.
Nice fish.
I really hope this thing's on.
It is. I can see the light blinking. Here, let's go there.
Oh, push some water into him. There you go.
Nice fish.
Good catch. I'm so glad you caught something. That made my day.
Yeah, I made it
I
hard.
just saw another one jump in there.
What'd you catch him on, Kirk?
Chatterbait.
I may have messed up your pole in the process.
This one here.
Oh, where's my dad's?
This one here got all tangled up too, so I just brought it in and said, "Hell, I'll just."
Good catch.
That was a really nice fish.
Nice.
I wish you had your scale, Dad, because I think that might have been a PB. Let's not go too far away, because I think they're hanging in this green here.
Okay.
Let's throw a couple more in there.
Cut it.
Let's you want to anchor over here?
Yeah, we got it.
There's something right here.
Yeah.
Give me a second, guys. I'm gonna spin us around and get us. Want me to grab it?
I got it.
Look at this pathway they have right here, back into those weeds. See it? The weeds right there. They have to. Something's running in that channel. Maybe probably an alligator. Alright, yeah, I gotta ping this spot.
I think they're probably hanging all in that green in there, and they just pop in and out when they're hungry.
And then the line got all tangled up.
Well, that's what I caught them on, black and blue chatterbait. So that made the trip, huh? Now Robert's got to get his. Dad, you're done. You caught yours.
Yeah, one cast. I'm done.
Dad, you got yours. You're done.
I'm just gonna watch.
That little catfish is yours. You're done. See, Pop doesn't get excited for lures until a big monster comes in. And he's like, holy shit, you can catch things on lures.
I don't think I catch any on lures either.
I'll tell you what,
Oh, there he is again. That's the same fish right there.
You saw him jump?
Yeah, I just saw him surface right here.
Big fish?
Yeah.
Same fish?
Same.
They're surprising because, you know, sometimes you think you got a 5-pounder and it wasn't nearly as heavy as I thought it was when you handed it off to me.
I'm gonna say I'm gonna stick with 3 to 4.
Yeah, I think maybe max 4.
I've caught a lot of 2s. That's twice as big as a 2. Oh, there's one just jumped right there. Right there. See that fella? Over the back.
Where? Get your lure in there, boy. How you doing, gentlemen?
How yourself?
Y'all have any luck?
A little bit here and there.
Yeah?
Little guys.
Bass?
Little guys, yep.
Mostly brim.
We ain't had no luck today.
Eh,
We just mainly getting the hell away from everybody else.
there you go. And then you ended up by us anyway.
Hey, y'all a good time, guys. Y'all like the same stuff we like.
I always tell them this year fishing sucks. Man, I don't know why we even bother coming out here.
Yeah, it's in this too spot.
Ah, shit.
Yeah, that one's a little smaller. I saw yours jump right there again though before. It had to be. Nothing else is that big.
Well, it could be a bunch of big ones in there. You might have brothers. I want to get right down that channel, but boy, you think it'd be nice and easy. There we go.
Good shot, isn't it?
There we go. Nice and easy.
Dude, if you can line up straight with it, you can.
Yeah. That was right about where he was, yeah, and then. But you know the crazy thing is, same thing. He gave me that dead log feel at first.
I saw that.
Oh my God.
Didn't really fight you a whole lot.
Not until the end.
Take an hour to get that.
I think they're kind of surprised. They're kind of like, well, why is this thing pulling?
Yeah, there they are. They don't initially know what to do. They're thinking eat, not defend.
Yeah. He had some damage on his side.
Yeah, I saw that. That scar.
Yeah.
You know, it's only 1 out of 1,000 little minnows that make it.
You take the high road, I'll take the low road.
called a sexy frog. That's what it's called.
Sexy frog? He looked kind of sexy to me. Right there, see that green?